Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and Mi Band 4 is such an amazing device, but as I promised before the full review, there are going to be some tech tips videos coming out. So this is the second video of that series where we are going to cover the charging related problem faced with the Mi Band 4 and give the solution for the same. So this is the Mi Band 4 new charging cradle / dock, whatever you call it, and the first charge was nice, but when I charged it from the second time, it just used to pop up. So after 3 hours I realized, hey, it's not charging, it's just 5%. So as you can see, this is my Mi Band 4 with this nice golden Mi Band 3 strap, and I think I will create a video on this, like how compatible it is with the Mi Band 3 strap. And normally what you do is, like, look, anybody will just check where the pins is, okay, and will align the pins right away, and there you have it, you place it fit. Okay, now just bring a power adapter which is connected to a spy card and you are charging. Okay, now as you can see, it's not charging. Okay, let's put away. Okay, see, you can see it's just coming away and it just falls off. And I discussed with these my friends and they said, like, some of them are facing the issue. Then I contacted the Xiaomi team and they said that visit a AC, which is the authorized service center, and get your the dock replaced. So I visited the Xiaomi service center, the authorized service center here at Mullen, and they took my band like for half an hour and then said that it's working fine. I was a bit surprised and a bit skeptical about it because it was not charging and it just falls off easily. As you can see, it just pops right away. So I will share the photo, like it just pops up during charging, and then they showed me that, hey, I was putting it wrong. So that's a bit surprising, as you can see. So I read the user manual, and in the user manual also they say that you have to align your Mi Band from front. Let me show you that. So as you can see, it says 7 charging, and it just displays you that, hey, you have to put it from top, which is not the right way how that guy told me to do so. So all you have to do is just take your dock, just take your band 4, keep it aligned. Okay, now roll it over and slide from the right. Okay, so you go here, as you can see, these grooves should come right in between the Mi Band 4. So you just slide it over and you should hear a click. If you are not hearing the click, it means it is not fit. Let's try again. As you can see, I heard the click and now it's snake-fight and it won't fall off. So that's a bit surprising, and you can just charge your band 4 right away, not a problem. And as you can see, it's now charging fine no matter how much you move it. Okay, now again, for removing it, the one way that we usually do is just pops right away. No, that's wrong. So for that, just lift it from the left side and just slide away so that the grooves won't be damaged. So this is how you charge the Mi Band 4 right. And I know this is a little bit weird, but I thought let's create a video on that, and an article will be also up on our website. So that's pretty much for this video. Hope you like this tech tips, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.